Your phone rings. A police officer says there's a warrant for your arrest, or you hear your child's voice crying for help. The panic you feel in that moment is very real. These are known as digital arrest and AI voice clone scams. But Indian law enforcement agencies, like the CBI or Customs, do not operate this way. They will never conduct an interrogation or issue an arrest warrant over a Skype or WhatsApp video call. Scammers create a high-pressure environment using forged court orders and fake police uniforms. They want you to stop thinking logically and react entirely out of fear. If you have already transferred money, you are now in the golden 30 minutes. This is the exact window of time you have to act before your funds are moved into untraceable accounts. By executing the next steps immediately, you can freeze the scammer's receiving account, establish a formal legal record, and initiate the Reserve Bank of India's mandated refund process. Step 1. Immediately hang up the phone. Do not agree to transfer money for so-called unfreezing fees or security deposits. If the call involved an AI-cloned voice of a relative, you must verify the emergency by calling that relative's saved contact number, not the number that just called you. You cannot rely on caller ID. Scam syndicates routinely spoof their outgoing numbers, so your screen displays the real number of a local police station or government office. To bypass this entirely, families can establish a safe word. This is a simple, pre-agreed phrase that is impossible for a scammer to guess, allowing you to instantly verify who you are talking to. Disconnecting the call breaks the scammer's psychological hold. When you stop to verify the situation, the extortion attempt falls apart. Step 2. Open your banking app and find the digital receipt for the fraudulent transaction. Look closely at that receipt for a specific 12-digit sequence labeled as the UTR, or Unique Transaction Reference Number. Step 3. Dial 1930. This is the National Cybercrime Helpline. When the operator answers, read them that exact UTR number. The operator will feed your UTR into a system connected to the National Payments Corporation of India. Within minutes, a hold is placed on the scammer's receiving bank account, preventing them from withdrawing your cash. While that hold is being processed, take screenshots of everything. Capture the chat logs, the fake court documents, the recipient's UPI ID, and the originating phone numbers before the scammer is able to delete them. Getting that UTR to the 1930 helpline quickly is the best way to trap your stolen money before it scatters across multiple hidden accounts. Step 4. Within 24 hours of the incident, go to cybercrime.gov.in. Click on Report Other Cybercrime and navigate to Financial Fraud. Upload your screenshots, the UTR, and the scammer's details into the portal. The system will generate an official NCRP acknowledgement number. Take that acknowledgement number to your local CyberCell police station within 48 hours to file a First Information Report, or FIR. When filing, ask the officer to cite BNS Section 318 and IT Act Section 66D. This ensures your case is properly categorized as cyber extortion and cheating by personation. These documentation steps create a recognized cybercrime record. Once this is filed, law enforcement and banking institutions are legally obligated to investigate. Step 5. Invoke your protections. This Reserve Bank of India Master Direction outlines customer liability. The second paragraph clearly states that your liability is zero if you inform the bank of an unauthorized transaction within 3 working days. If you delay your report and notify the bank between 4 to 7 working days, your liability increases to a limited cap, typically between 5,000 and 25,000 rupees. This table shows compensation payouts for fraud incidents by public sector banks. Look at the fiscal year 2023 to 2024 column. The compensation paid perfectly matches the amounts involved across hundreds of cases. Rapid reporting initiates the chase to catch the thief, but also triggers the legal mechanism, shifting financial liability from the victim to the bank. If your bank denies the refund or stalls your case for more than 30 days, you can escalate the issue by filing a free online complaint with the RBI Banking Ombudsman at cms.rbi.org.in. To protect against future attacks, especially AI voice cloning, agree on a family safe word tonight. Share these specific steps with older family members. They are the primary targets of these criminal syndicates and need to know exactly how to react. Scam technology evolves rapidly, but an ironclad process of immediate verification and swift legal documentation remains a powerful defense against digital extortion.